Powered by the Montana Television Network. This is the 530 News on Q2, Montana's news leader.
Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jay Cohn.
And I'm Jeanelle Slade. Eastern Montana disaster and emergency responders head into this holiday weekend hoping for the best but preparing for the worst.
Following torrential rains yesterday and the potential for even more to come, well, it's all hands on deck and all eyes on local rivers and streams.
Within the past hour, Yellowstone County declares a flooding emergency.
That emergency is due to new forecasts that call for record crests in both the Clarks Fork and the Yellowstone rivers, perhaps by this coming Monday. Now, this video taken just a few hours ago near Colson Park in South Billings. You can see the murky water rushing by the boat ramp area that's now covered by several feet of water.
Authorities warn the record high flows could result in bank erosion, channel migration, and possible road and bridge closures. Yellowstone County residents also can expect flooding on local small streams such as Canyon Creek, Blue Creek, Alkali Creek, and Pryor Creek. Now, city and county officials moving swift and certain to prepare for the possibility of record high water across this region. We
now go to meteorologist Connor Prigitzer with more on what could be record flooding. Connor.
Thank you, Jay. And yes, I was there this afternoon when Billings City officials met to ponder declaring the state of emergency. And the tone of the meeting was one of preparedness and not of panic, but preparedness for a major event. I've got right here the flooding outlook sent by the NWS for the Yellowstone River here in Billings. Now, let me break this down for you a little bit. We've got minor, moderate, and major flood stages listed here, and this is the proposed peak. This is Tuesday afternoon heading into Wednesday at 16.4 feet. They've also got the record high level here at 15 feet. So if this event does come to pass as forecasted, the chances are for some unprecedented flooding in our area. Now, flooding forecasts can change in the time frame between now and Monday, but it is important to be prepared that this is a possibility. Take a look now at the Clarks Fork River at at Edgar, and it looks much the same. Again, jumping up into that major flooding tier as we head into Tuesday and into Wednesday. The situation for Miles City along the Yellowstone is a little bit different, further downstream, but again, that major rain event puts that water into that basin, takes a little bit longer to get downstream to Miles City, and it's only hitting the moderate flood stage there. But the event is still a possibility to affect much of the eastern portion of the state. For now, we go back to Jay and Jeanelle.
All right, thanks so much, Connor.
And our chief forecaster, Bob McGuire, also standing by tonight over in the Weather Center. He's been monitoring the incoming rain expected this coming weekend.
Bob, how much rain are we talking about, and when is it going to get here?
That's got to be a good question. There's a lot of rain coming our way, and that's what we're worried about. The rivers can handle the snow melt. It can handle rain, but it can't handle both, and that's going to be our problem. It starts off tonight off the San Francisco coastal area. That low pressure cell is what we're keeping an eye on. It starts stinging moisture in towards the western part of the state, and by Sunday night, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the rain starts making its way into the Billings area. The rain continues to stick around Sunday night into Monday, and heavy rain continues even on into Tuesday. So how much rain are we expected to see? Well, here's the latest computer model just been updated. 1.28 inches for Billings. Places like Bozeman will see over 2 inches of rainfall, and places like Livingston will see 1.60. And here's another problem. We've got warmer temperatures into the 80s. That's going to melt a lot of snow. With heavy rain, the rivers can't handle both, so they're going to flood to these record levels. Jeanelle?
All right, thank you very much, Bob.
Well, despite an all clear from the Yellowstone County Sheriff's Department, Lockwood schools will remain in a soft lockdown for the rest of the week.
School Superintendent Tobin Navasio says as a security precaution, Lockwood School will also keep a substantial law enforcement presence on campus. All of this comes after a series of rumors about a threat to the Eileen Johnson Middle School. Yellowstone County investigators told Q2 yesterday that the threat was cleared.
Lockwood schools will be let out at 11:30 on Friday, and the 8th grade promotion ceremony has been moved to 1 p.m. Now, those changes are to allow students to leave before visitors come back onto the campus for the ceremony.
A former Eastern Montana teacher is now accused of sexually assaulting a female student on numerous occasions back in 2012.
38-year-old Richard Adsit Jr. is charged in Judith Basin County with 3 counts of sexual assault and 2 counts of sexual intercourse without consent. According to court documents, Adsit sexually abused a 15-year-old girl over the period of 4 months.
These alleged crimes took place in Adsit's classroom and at his home in Geyser, Montana. Adsit was also a teacher and a coach at high schools in Reed Point, Sidney, Geyser, and Savage. Adsit is currently a teacher in the state of Pennsylvania.
6 months after a man was shot in a Billings bar, a suspect is tracked down, arrested, and now faces charges.
Q2's Asia Gore updating this story for us tonight and is here with more details. Asia.
Well, Jay and Jeanelle, the shooting happened inside Bones Arcade on Broadwater Avenue last November. 37-year-old Terrell Lewis made his initial appearance in Yellowstone County Justice Court today on a charge of assault with a weapon. Police were called to the bar for a report of a shooting and found a man with a gunshot wound to the abdomen. Witnesses gave a suspect description that matched Lewis. Surveillance footage from Bones Arcade shows that man, who police later identified as Lewis, walk up to the victim at the bar and shoot him. Investigators say Lewis was only at Bones Arcade 30 minutes before the shooting. A motive was not identified in court documents. Lewis is being held at the Yellowstone County Jail on a $100,000 bond. Jay and Jeanelle.
All right, thank you, Asia. The Billings Depot has big plans for a small empty green space on the building's south side. Take a look. The group Wild Women of the West is spearheading the effort to transform this space into what's called a pocket park. It's a green space too small for physical activities, but a comfortable spot to meet up with friends and soak up the sun. Now, the plans there include seating and artwork, including a rain garden. The installation will collect, absorb, and filter stormwater runoff from rooftops, roads, and parking lots in an artistic way.
The first phase is going to be hopefully completed this summer. We're going to have a volunteer day to kick off the project. We'll start removing the topsoil that's there now and replace it with some new soil that's a little bit more porous and organic to help slow down that water and really allow the plants to do their job. And we'll be working with local artists to develop an art installation also.
Billings Depot also recently awarded a micro grant sponsored by Big Sky Economic Development, and the Girl Scouts will also get their hands dirty on this project and earn a badge for their effort to construct the miniature park.
Up next in tonight's Q2 530 News, small and a bit of a secret, a local school that shaped lives for students for more than a century. We find out more about this hidden gem. And in sports tonight, state softball, track, and tennis are all underway. Scott shows us who's off to hot starts.
You're watching MTN News with Jay Cohn and Jeanelle Slade. Storm Tracker weather with Bob McGuire and sports with Scott Green. This is the 530 News on Q2